Hi, welcome to another weekly roundup. Thought we'd mix it up a little bit and use our YouTube corner, which you might not have seen before. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right, another busy week. We had in two T6.1s for aftermarket headlights. So obviously replacing those candle in the night style jobs, which everyone complains about. Standard lights in like T6s and 6.1s and things like that. So you will have seen that both of them, it was a yellowy orange one and a nice black and white van, freshened up, front end loads nicer with the dual replacement LED light upgrade and obviously the headlights. Both look really, really smart. We actually managed, because we had a third T6.1 in, we managed to get some cool shots of all three of them parked up outside, which you might have seen on like Instagram posts and stuff. So that was good fun. That's always a popular upgrade. Then we moved on to a crafter, which we did over in the other building, just because it's got the taller roof, much bigger vehicle. That was in from a company that we work closely with, Cotrim, who are they do all the conversions and stuff like that, but then they'll send vans over to us to do things like speaker upgrades, sub upgrades, and various bits of sound editing that go along with those. So that's what we did with the crafter. That was a good fun one, getting it all to fit in with all the various things that they'd already fitted, like heater pipes and all those sorts of things. So that was a good, interesting one. So then we had in, there's another company that we work with, is Sentinel Security. They brought us in two of their newer Skodas that they've got for trackers and dash cams. So we've done work for them previously, obviously sorting out all their cars. And we do it for other companies as well, where companies want those kind of trackers. They can keep track of what's going on with their vehicles while they're out on jobs and things. And also they've got that dash cam footage for, obviously they're doing a lot of miles around the country and things. They can pick up on anything that might happen. So they went in, did those. We then had a VW T-roc in, really popular upgrade this, and that's the electric tailgate. So that is obviously factory equipment, replaces the two struts for the motorized ones, and then you get the factory module that goes in and it all gets wired in, coded in, and then you've got your electric tailgate with your factory button that goes in the tailgate trim and everything like that. We then had, what else did we have? We had a returning customer with his nice T6.1. He's been in before for speakers and 3-stage sound deadening, all that. But this time he wanted to have the ambient lighting fitted, so the blue ambient lighting that is the VW part number 1. And so we just worked around the work we'd previously done. And that went in and looked really, really smart, because that was a blue van, blue ambient lighting, just finished up a treat. Really good looking van that was. And Sammy got some good shots of that in the dark and everything, with the lights all turned off and everything. That was a nice one, that worked well. And then we had another, this is the third T6.1 we had in, that had just been dropped off for us. I think that came from Cotrim as well, actually, so another Cotrim job. And that chap, he had full 3-stage sound deadening. So that is outer door panel, then the window regulator panel that the speaker's on, and then also the noise absorber on the back of the door card. Just helps all the speakers work in the best way they can. He then had obviously the speaker upgrade and also sub under the driver's seat. So then again, I had to make a special panel for it to sit on, because he'd had heater set up, put in by Cotrim and things. So that all just went in. And I think that was about it, really. It was just a busy week. Lots to do, lots in, lots completed. Everyone left happy. And just then getting ready for the next week from there. So that's another weekly roundup. Hope you're enjoying these. Let us know if you are or not, and then we'll keep going. Follow us on all the socials and things. Keep watching lots of videos, leave any comments and things, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.